Hey guys, happy Saturday. We are almost a week into our Bikini Body Boot Camp Love Yourself Challenge, and I wanted to share some meal prep tips with you guys. I know it can be really overwhelming trying to figure out your meal plan, get your workouts in, drink your Shakeology, so I just wanted to break it down a little bit for you. So I'm going to share with you guys my meal plan for this coming week. I don't know if you can see this. And if you can screenshot it if you want to. I don't know if it's backwards. I hope it's not backwards. So I'll read it to you guys. So what I did was, obviously you guys know that if you're doing 21-day fix, 22-minute hardcore, hammer and chisel size, most of the workout programs now come with the 21-day fix eating plan, which is a container system that helps you figure out how many of each food group that you should be having per day. So for my meal plan, I'm supposed to have 3 vegetables servings, 2 fruits, 4 proteins, I don't have my carb container, but 2 carbs, 1 fat container, nuts and seeds, and then also a tablespoon for oils and butters and that kind of thing. So basically what I did is I wrote all that at the top of the piece of paper, and then I broke that down into each of my meals. So I have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then 2 snacks. So for breakfast, I keep it really simple. I have my Shakeology with a cup of spinach, blend that, good to go. Then for snack, I have hummus and veggies. For lunch this week, I'm having pork chops with veggies, sweet potato, and an apple. For snack, I'm having Greek yogurt, 2 Brazil nuts, and berries. And then for dinner, I'm having ground turkey with vegetable soup and beans. So you'll notice that in each of my meals and snacks, I'm having a protein, and that's really going to help keep me full for a while. So I'm eating about every 3 to 4 hours. It's usually actually like 5 hours between breakfast and lunch. But so basically I eat the same thing all week long. So I'll make one big portion of something for lunch and cook that on Sunday, and then I'll have that throughout the week. If I do feel like I want to change something up, I might swap out and have what I was planning to have for dinner for lunch and then lunch for dinner, or vice versa. But for the most part, this is what works for me. If you're somebody who wants to eat something different every single day, you're going to obviously have more prep time, but that's up to you. So if you need any help crafting your meal plan, definitely let me know. I can send you lots of information. There are lots of recipes on Pinterest. We have the Fix8 cookbook that is everything's already portioned out for your containers. So if you are having trouble figuring that out, definitely let me know. So I did want to show you kind of how I meal prep. So I'm outside now, obviously. So yesterday when I did the video, I was in the kitchen, so that made more sense. But so what I did, since I'm home a lot and I can cook my food when I'm home, I don't pre-cook as much of it anymore. But so this week, for example, what I did is I took sweet potatoes and I have them all chopped. So when I'm ready to make my lunch, I just have them ready to go. I can toss them in a frying pan and saute those with a little bit of oil with my pork chops and my veggies and that kind of thing. So then I also chopped my veggies and I put them in a little Ziploc bag. So something that I wanted to say is that these containers, you don't have to keep everything in the container and eat right from the container. Use the container as a measuring tool and then put it into a different type of Tupperware or Ziploc bag. So something really cool, at Target they have these awesome sandwich baggies. They are color-coded. Or not color-coded, but they're different colors. So like I took my green container, filled it with veggies, and then I put it in a green Ziploc bag. So I know that this is one container. So when I'm ready for my lunch, I have my sweet potatoes already cut, so I just have to measure these in my yellow container. Then I take my veggies. And then I have my pork chops already marinating in here, just salt and pepper. But then I take one of those, and I'm good to go. Then for dinner, I have ground turkey. I already made it, so I just have to measure that and take my cup of soup, and I'm good to go. So that is pretty much how I do my planning. When I was in school and working like 2 jobs, I would bake a bunch of sweet potatoes at the beginning of the week. And I would bake a bunch of grilled chicken. I would make soups or chili. I would prepare all of my parfaits. So I'd take a bunch of like mason jar type of things. You can get these cute little ones at Target for like $1. And you can put your chia seeds and your, your chia seeds and your fruits and your yogurt in there ready to go so that you just grab it and go. So that's really the key with why we are meal prepping, is that you don't want to leave it to chance. When you come home starving, if you don't know exactly what you're going to eat, you will eat what you don't want to eat. So do not let your emotions control your results. You want to go grocery shopping on full stomach. You want to have ready available snacks in your fridge that are healthy and that fit in with your meal plan. So I'm really excited, guys. Another thing I wanted to say is Shakeology. So I was somebody who would have my chocolate cravings like so bad. Like I used to walk to Walgreens before I had a car to buy M&Ms. Like it was disgusting. So when I first started drinking Shakeology, I chose chocolate because I already had chocolate cravings and I wanted to substitute something healthy for something gross and bad for me. So I would have my chocolate Shakeology and raw veggies for dessert or for dinner. So I really wanted something crunchy and I wanted something chocolatey. So that's what I did. So if you're somebody who has cravings at a certain time of the day, then use that to your advantage and save your Shakeology for that time of the day. Or if you're somebody who has a really chill schedule in the morning but your afternoons are nuts, then have your Shakeology that part of the day because it only takes like 30 seconds to make. So there's no need to do what everyone else is doing or have it for breakfast or have it for dinner or have it for lunch just because so-and-so is doing it. Like look at your schedule, figure out what's going to work for you, and then do that. Another option is for breakfast. I used to make deviled eggs, or not deviled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, and then have like apple with almond butter. That was like my go-to breakfast for a really long time. Or you can make like a pancake type of thing with like egg and a banana, or egg, banana, and oatmeal. Really good with the nut butter. Or you can make like egg omelets. You can make everything ahead of time, put it in a muffin tin, cook them in muffin tins, and then put it right in a Ziploc baggie, put it in the freezer, and then take it out to thaw the night before, and then you have breakfast ready to go. You don't even have to cook it in the morning. So those are like my favorite meal prep tips. On a side note, if you guys are interested at all in the Beachbody Performance line that I have been drinking, I just wanted to break it down and show you the couple different supplements that I use. They don't count as a container, which is really cool. And because it's targeted to when you take them, you either take it before you work out, while you're working out, after you work out, or nighttime to help with decreased muscle soreness and recovery, that kind of thing. So you don't have to count it towards your container, and it's really cool to make sure that you're going the extra mile and getting really good results. Totally optional, but I do want to share it with you. So we have Energize, which is the pre-workout. Basically, you take it right before you work out, and it helps you to work out harder, faster, stronger, longer. The other option is Hydrate. Basically, you sweat a lot during your workout, so you're losing electrolytes. So this is to replenish that. You drink it while you're working out. It's like a lemon lime flavor, kind of like Gatorade, but a ton healthier. And it's super delicious, and I really like it. The other thing is Recover. So basically, when you are working out, especially if you're weightlifting, you're basically tearing your muscles, and then they have to rebuild, which is how you get stronger. So by drinking this within 30 minutes after you work out, you can actually increase the recovery time and help to decrease muscle soreness, and basically you're getting back to work faster. So I really like that one. So if I had to choose, and then the last one is this Recharge formula, which basically you drink an hour before you go to bed. It helps to increase the recovery and decrease muscle soreness. You know, when you work out really, really hard and your muscles are really sore the next day, hurts to go to the bathroom, hurts to sit, hurts to walk, that kind of thing, this really helps with that. So if I had to choose just two of them, I would probably choose Energize, because let's face it, we're all super busy and you don't want to let your fatigue get in the way of having killer workouts. So Energize is the bomb, and I really like this post-workout Recover shake. I take this and I mix it in with my cafe latte Shakeology, and it's like super delicious. Then this one, this one that you take before you go to bed, I really like it. I think it has been helping, but if I had to pick two, I would choose the pre-workout and the post-workout. I think that's super awesome. Living in Florida, we all sweat a lot, and I absolutely love the Hydrate one too. So I just want to share that with you guys. I know you've seen them around, so there you go. If you have any questions, need any help with anything this coming week, any recipes, any tips on how you can stay on track and get your workouts in, and I don't know, any questions that you have, I am here for you guys. I'm going hard this week. I am committed to staying to my meal plan, like 100%. I just started a brand new workout program. Super excited about it. Super proud of you guys. Let's make this an awesome week. Bye!